moment na yan. Oh, sige, game. Oo. Automatic yan, Bes. Yes. Okay, i-vlog naman sa hapon, guys. Yung lasing-lasing sa video. Pamakay na ang cellphone tagal. Basta bes, warang ano. Thank you, Uncle. Have a good night. Diretso na, bes. Lead the way. Welcome to my home. It's not the whole building, but akala mo buong building, ha? Want a drink? We have soft drinks, we have sparkling water, we have beer for the guys. Cutie! I'm enjoying this view. Look at the view. My family is here. Thank you for preparing all this. Actually, he did the table, guys. Kuya Kennie is really supportive of your trip here. Thank you.
Once.
100 times.
It all depends on how you behave. Especially you, Mama. Don't worry. Yeah. Man, first of all, you send a message, I'm gonna crush your home. And the first thing you want, I want beer. Okay? So I guess it wasn't a spelling error. It was not crash. I'm gonna crush your home. Don't let Mama near the speakers, please.
Okay. Sabi ni Kennie, he said earlier, once broken, it's considered solved. So guys, be careful.
Exactly. You break it, congratulations with your new. Let me send you the bill.